listen guys, this is Nick with No Filter Reviews, alright? I don't know why you want to do it. I'm not even asking, right? But if you want to delete your Prime Video watch history, this is how you do it. Again, no judgment, right? I don't know why you want to delete it, but this video will show you how to do it very simply. All you have to do is click on the link down below. It'll take you directly to where you need to delete it. You don't have to bother with Googling or doing anything crazy. So it should be very simple. Check this out. Alright, so you want to sign into your Amazon account. And then you're going to click on your name up top and go to Account and Settings. And then you're going to want to click on Watch History. And then you'll select what you want to delete from your watch history, and you'll go ahead and do that. And then it shall delete. It might take a little bit to delete, but it will be gone. So it's very, very easy. That's really all there is to it. Not judging you, alright? Thanks for watching. Have a great day or night.